Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's solve 966 Vowel spell checker from LeetCode. Given a word list, we want to implement a spell checker that converts a query word into a correct word. For a given query word, the spell checker handles two categories of spelling mistakes: capitalization. If the query matches a word in the word list, is case insensitive, then the query word is returned with the same case as the case in the word list. For example, we have a word list of yellow, and the query is yellow, big Y and big O, then correct is yellow. Yeah, something like this. And then vowel errors. If I replace the vowels A, E, I, O, U of the query word with any vowel individually, it matches a word in the word list, then the query word is returned. So yellow, it means if I type YOLO, it should return the yellow. It actually means that the vowels doesn't matter, right? I think I meet this in the git command. If you type some git command without the right verb or noun, actually git will give us the hint of the right command, right? So they do some kind of like a pattern matching. In addition, the spell check operates onto the following precedent rules. First, when the query exactly matches a word, case sensitive, you should return the same word back. When the query matches a word up to capitalization, you should return the first match in the word list. When the query matches a word up to vowel errors, you should return the first match. If the query has no matches, you should return empty string. So actually, this is a pretty simple problem. If we want to implement it the naive way, we just do as the follow. The logic described here already gives us the code, right? Okay, first we check if the word list has the query, and then check against the word with the query if they match without the case, and then we check if the word match without checking the vowel, and then just three patterns. But it's not performant because for example, we need to check exact match. If it costs a linear time to loop through all the word lists to check if the word query exists, we need to improve this. We use a set, right? Use a set. So this could cost us constant time. And then query matches a word up capitalization. Okay, let's say case sensitive linear time, and use a set constant time. And then case insensitive, again it's linear time, but also we need to check against the word length. Let's say it's k, right? So the obviously it's like this. And then what do? We just normalize before. Normalize first, right? Transform all of the word into the a small case, and then we could use a has set. Also, now it's cost us constant time. The last one, it says vowel like this, right? Vowel insensitive. Again, since you don't care about the vowels, we just remove all the vowels into something else, right? Return to like use underscore. So before it would be like for each word and for each letter we would compare it. Now we would first normalize, and then replace to vowel to underscore, and then we could use a set to just check it, right? So these give us the time actually okay. Obviously, when we need to loop through the word to check to normalize it. So yeah. Oh, here case sensitive is still okay, I believe. Wait a minute. Suppose the word is n, and for each word is k. Actually, I made a mistake here. Actually, this is true for n word for each word. So n words of k length averagely, and m queries. Okay, for each query, it would do something like this, right? For each query, we check insensitive. We can improve it from linear to this, and then case insensitive. Case insensitive. Before we actually for the m queries of k, averaging also the k length. So case insensitive. If for each word we compare the length, k, and now we normalize it. First, use a set, and obviously it's k. This is the preprocess, and times a constant, right? Yeah, this is okay actually. It now becomes constant. Like vowel insensitive. Before it's for each word, and then we need to compare each letter. Now use set. This is k is the preprocess. So there's no improvement? No. There is improvement. Yeah. Before, okay, I'm sorry. Before actually is m times o n plus o n k plus o n k, right? So it's actually o m n k. But now with the new approach, we only had pre-process a word list. So it's actually n o n plus for each word we traverse it, so o n k, right? And for each word we would do the for each query we need to process it, so obviously it's ok times m, right? And then the check is actually constant time, right? So it's times m. So now we actually have this is o n k times o m k. So this is actually o m plus n k. So usually there should be a lot of word and less queries, right? So this actually improves a lot. So let's do it. Obviously we need just 3 sets. Okay, this is origin set. It should be new set and just word list, right? And then we have lowercase set, new set. Word list, map, word to lowercase. Okay, and then we need to have a vowel insensitive, so no vowel set. New set. Actually the lowercase needs to be done again, so I'll create a new empty set first and then do the initialization. So word list const lower word to lowercase. So lowercase. We need to return the origin word. So it's actually, I'm sorry, this should not set. It should be a map. It should be nowhere map. This is nowhere, no vowel map. Lowercase map. If it is not there, we set it. If it is already there, it means there's some other word before it, right? So if has lowercase map set lower with the origin word. Now no vowel word, it should be now lowered replace, right? Lowered replace the vowels a, I, u, e, o. Okay, ignore the case. You already know lowered, so no problem here. And globally, and return to underscore. Okay, if we do the same, if no vowel map has no vowel map set no vowel with a word. Lowercase map. Okay. So now we have done pre-processing the word list. Now for each query, we just check against these three set or map, right? So we just return the queries map query. If origin set has this query, it means there's a word exactly the same, right? We just return the query. If not, we check if there is a capital case difference with some words. So lowercase map has the query to lowercase. Okay, we need to do the same here. Actually, we copy the code. If this is a lowered. If your case has it, we return the lowercase get lowered, right? Or we can make it better. No better. Okay, so this is no vowel if it has it, and then return get, right? And then finally, if none of these matches, we just return an empty string. It should work. Great. Submit. Perfect. So this is our solution. We just use a bunch of sets and it is good to go. I'll post my code in the discuss. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.